used to open it, but then we always had a problem with kids and even a few adults trying to climb in there. So we're trying to figure out how we can show it without putting the item at risk. But it's rare. There are not very many of them. I just got back from Japan and showed some scholars this piece, and they were very interested in it. If you were to look inside, I would open it for you, but it's fastened. There are paintings inside and a little pillow for the woman to sit on, and this is actual mesh, so she could look out, but people can't look in and see her. All right, now I would like February 22nd, we'll have a special event here called Music at the Museum, and we'll have a performance of Japanese music. We have an extra one of these to Thomas. We can create a stage. We set a world record price for the soul recently. We had a chance to get it, so it's a very famous sound. Today is the last day of his first date. In about 10 days, we put out the next date. So we have 4 seasons. We show examples. Most of these are of dried lacquer. So it's lacquer that's painted on wood. And these are all various, there's the Buddha, and then there are various Buddhist deities. So in Buddhism, there's a variety of figures, saints and saviors, and historical sages. We have quite a few represented. 2 examples in Japan. This is Jizo, or in Chinese Dizang, Sanskrit Chittagarbha. This is the deity of the afterlife. So this deity, this Buddhist figure, he delivers, I don't want to say your soul, but he delivers you from one incarnation to the next incarnation, to the next life. That's the idea. And Jizo has become a saint of the lost, people who are lost. It's a saint of the lost, so that they can find their way.